Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys here today. In this video, I want to quickly show you how you can arm a group of areas using a floor plan icon. Okay, so in this case, I'm using a virtual output to arm a group of 3 areas. Okay, so this can be useful. Let's say you want the guards to be able to confirm everything is armed at night, and they can just hit the button and activate the output to arm everything. Okay, so and also this will show you the process of how we can use virtual programmable functions to do special tricks in Protege GX. Now, with Protege WX, this is also a feature that is available, but you need to have expert mode enabled. So basically, you need to complete the online WX training, and then when you register the WX controller, it will activate all those advanced features. But in this example today, I'm going to use the Protege GX software. So again, this is how to arm a group of areas by activating an output. Okay, so the first step is to create the output or pick an available output for that application. So under programming and then output, what I did earlier is I created myself an output on PGM Expander 8 output 1, and I called it Office Areas Control. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, to create the group of areas. Okay, if it's only one area you want to control, then obviously you don't need to create the group. In this case, I want to arm 3 areas, Office 1, 2, and 3. So I need to go to Groups, Area Groups. I created myself a new area group called Offices, and I entered Room 1, 2, and 3. So the partitions in that group are the 3 partitions listed below. Okay, then you save. The next step, under Automation, Programmable Function, I created a new function. You need to select the controller first, add the function, make sure the function state is running, and in this case, I'm using area control as the function type. Now, under the area control tab, I want to use option number 2. So basically, when the output goes from off to on, I'm gonna arm the group of areas. So again, option 2, area arms on output turning on. I select the output we created earlier, and the area group is listed here. Okay, so Offices. I save, wait some time for the download to take place. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to right click on the function and then start the function. Okay, then because we've set the function to be running, even if the power is lost on site and the controller restarts, when the controller powers up and the operating system and the application is running, the function will start automatically as well. So this is going to be available all the time. All right, now I make myself a floor plan earlier, and you see here I have the icon for the output. I just put some text next to it for the guards to see it easily. So it says activate to arm offices. Okay, so now my offices are armed. So if I disarm them like that, I simply need to right click, activate. I've set a activation time in the output of 3 seconds, so then the output will restore itself automatically, so they don't have to think about deactivating and reactivating it. And you see now my areas are not armed. Okay, I simply activated one output. I have my group of areas being armed. You can create a group with all areas on site if you want to make sure that the system arms properly at night. The guard, before leaving, is going to turn this output on, and then the areas will be armed. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. This was how to control a group of areas using an output. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video and all of our videos, our video, please. And remember, Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products. So we're ready to help with support, pre-sales. We can help you building quotes and visiting clients. So you can reach our teams from the inaxsys.com website. Okay, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.